see where we're at. The Supra, because this is the only car I have. Duh. Right now, I'm actually gonna go meet up with the homie D right now. He's been waiting for me. So I'm gonna meet up with him right now. We're gonna head to a meet today. I think it's a 86 meet, but we're just gonna pull up because 86s are like a little brother. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm just playing with you. But yeah, we're gonna head to a meet right now. I was just with my girlfriend and her friends at the beach out in Ventura, so I made like a drive over here. And then we're gonna make another drive the opposite way, bro. It's crazy. I can't believe I'm driving this much, but I'm out here trying to get some content for you guys. Yeah, right now I'm gonna meet up with him, and I actually want to go into the little market so I can buy something to drink. I am parched. So I found the boy D, but I didn't get to run into the market. D's on the time crunch, so I'm on his time right now. Literally. Yeah, dude, chill, bro. I'm just thirsty, man. I wanted to grab something to drink. It's hard to see, but there's like a whole fire going on over here. It looks like it's in the mountains. That's crazy, bro. It's literally in the mountains. But when the sun hits this color like good, that color looks really nice. You can see the fire a little better here. I'm trying to zoom in, like. Damn trees, no. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, shit. Literally on the hill right there. So we've made it here finally at the 86 meet. We got D, we got the homie John. We got I don't know whose car that is, but we got my Supra, John's Supra, and then D Supra. Then a nice Porsche over here with a ski box. All right. GTS, I see you. Yeah, dude, I am so hungry right now. I want to eat. Dude, I need something in my system. I might either go to McDonald's, Jack in the Box. I don't know, dude. I'm hungry. I want to eat. But yeah, the show don't start till another like 20 minutes, and they're letting all the 86s in there. They got the big bros outside. It's crazy. This one's nice though. All right, so we're made it into the meet because we were waiting, I guess, and they allowed us inside now because I guess they have room. But I got me a drink, pink lemonade, and some fries, bro. Dude, they are taxing. For burgers and fries, it was $11, bro. Burgers and fries, that is crazy. Not even burgers, I'm sorry. A drink and fries, I am tripping. A drink and some fries, all for $11, which is actually pretty damn nuts. But yeah, we made it inside. So way the fudge back here. I guess these are for like the people who didn't register, I guess, and are not an 86. And all the 86 who registered are over here on this side, in the front, or they're either boothed up. I'm still hungry. I still gotta finish my food. Bro, you have no idea how hungry I am right now. We got a couple nice ones. Then we got Tyler. Where'd Tyler get these Georgia plates though? That's what I wanna know. What the fuck? Hey, Tyler, I see you, dog.
That's Adro's car.
Which one?
There, COS.
The yellow one?
The red one. No,
that's not Adro.
No, Adro.
Oh, Adro. I heard Adro. Who's Adro?
Not Adro.
I said Adro. And OG 86. Sheesh. That one's nice. White on white. I love it. The blue with the livery. Nice, nice. The head honcho of Alpha Rex right here. I'll see you. The yellow one's very clean. I like the body kit on it. The side skirts, the front lip, the gray wheels. It's cool. I even like that yellow one and white one over there. It had the Adro kit on. I got this clean 86 right here, bro. The color on this is so nice. Like that sand thing is baller as F. There's a Rocket Bunny kit, obviously. Look at the wheels. Yeah, this thing is clean. Gutted completely with the status seats. Sheesh. This thing is money. It's so nice. So sick. Here's the homie Isaac's K-Truck, and we're about to drive it right now. Oh, hell no. And this manual? Fuck, I haven't driven manual in so long. I'm nervous I'll stall this shit. Shit. Hey, you're rich. What the fuck?
In the back.
They're Volks? That's crazy. I'm looking scared to drive this thing. I don't know if I can do it. You drive it. Yeah, you drive it. Yeah. I gotta record, bro. Fuck. Dude, I haven't driven stick in so long. I'll stall this thing. Damn. Oh shit. I don't want to litter. Yeah, it's on. Fuck, man. Fuck. This is my first left-hand drive car. I mean, right-hand drive car. I've never driven right-hand before. What the fuck? Drop it. Clutch in, clutch in. And it starts right up. Shit, dude. My fault, man. You think they'll deny us if we go in? Yeah, where should I go? Go to the street? Make a right over here? Is it thick as the same shit? That's first, right? Alright, you're making sure, bro.
He's gonna break your car. Yeah, hopefully it comes back.
Is the emergency brake on?
E-brake.
Yeah, but, oh shit.
Whoa!
Whoa! Sorry, dude. I don't want to make a mess. Oh, this is hard. I gotta find the fucking. Oh, yeah. Oh. Fuck, bro. This is so weird. Especially like left-hand drive, bro. I mean, right-hand drive.
You tripped it. Whoa!
I think I went into like third or fourth. Damn, there's more cars over here. Holy shit. Actually, let's just make a lap. I don't want to get out.
You don't want to go to the street?
No. I'm scared. Fuck that. I hope I'm in second, bro. I think I'm in like third or fourth, bro. I don't even know. I think I'm in fourth. Okay, now I'm in third. All right. I felt like this was sluggish. I got a fellow Supra over here. Hey. Taking a lap of the car show real quick. What is this sound? It's my door, huh?
No, it's AC.
Huh? Are you sure? No, the beeping sound?
The beep.
Yeah. I think that's the door. How do you open this shit? Yeah, see?
Oh, what the fuck?
I told you it was the door. I was like, what the fuck? That AC is pumping though. It is cold. I'm not even gonna lie.
Don't run these people over.
Nah, I see him. This is actually sick. Oh, fuck it, let's go on the street.
Let's go!
Yeah, let's go on the street.
Oh my god. I thought we were gonna eat
We're gonna
shit
flip.
right
Oh, yeah.
How fast we going?
Hey, we're going 45.
Yeah.
Don't fuck with me.
Kilometers.
Oh, yeah, these are kilometers. This is pretty quick for a little truck. How many gears does it have? 6?
5.
5? Oh, yeah. We're in 4th gear right now. Is it the same? Oh, okay, I knew it. It's on the right side. I knew it. The turn signals. I was about to do the windshield wipers. I've seen too many Dustin Williams videos, bro.
Little downshift.
You feel me?
What the? Oh,
We're doing donuts. I went into 4th. There you go. Oh, whoa. Almost broke his transmission right there. Oh, shit. Isaac, if you're watching this, you didn't say anything. I did not want to go to the front entrance.
Why?
I was too scared.
There's even more A6s coming.
I know, dude. I feel like I'm in Japan for real now. Psych. Left-hand drive is crazy, though. Like, this shit is wild. It's the first time driving a right-hand drive car.
Wait, really?
And it's a K truck. Yeah, bro. First time ever. Yeah, first time ever driving a right-hand truck. Shit's insane.
Isaac right there.
Ah!
Oh my god.
I haven't driven stick in so long, guys. Give me a fucking break. Give me a break, bro.
Oh, no power steering. Good luck.
Fuck.
Gotta go there.
Oh,
You're gonna stall it.
I'm a beast, bro. What am I stalling? Can I go through here?
Yeah.
Oh. I did in second. I left it in second.
We're 4th. You were 4th.
4? Oh, it wasn't 4 there. Off all PAMs. You smelled the burning clutch, Isaac? I'm sorry. Wasn't me. Bro, what the fuck? I look like a straight gardener, bro.
Alright, now it's a real challenge.
Fuck. That shit was pretty hard. Now
Okay, he slows
trying to reverse it is gonna be hard. Fuck.
Oh! My God.
I got it. Alright. Not bad for first time driving a right-hand truck. That shit was scary, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Appreciate you for letting me drive it, bro. For real. This shit is an experience for sure. But I was like missing gears and shit. I was like, oh fuck, bro. I was like, no. Got Tyler driving this thing. So you know you're a manual driver, huh? One more. Gotta make sure it's a neutral. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Oh, he's trying to do burnouts, bro. Damn, right off the club. Look at you, smooth, nice and smooth. Damn. Sheesh. It's got that butter, that buttery shifts. Nice and smooth. Look at me. We were jerking back and forth when I was driving. On the street. You feel me? On the street. Wow, nice and smooth. I feel like a real gardener now.
What?
Like a Mexican. You know, like a real Mexican in this truck. Hell yeah. Sheesh, turbo. Oh shit. Almost at 80 kilometers, dude.
Oh my God.
And the downshift. Shit.
I was fucked up on the signal.
Ooh. Shout out to Isaac, man. Letting us get some content in this thing. Pretty sick though. Pretty stock. It's small in here. My leg room. This is all I got. The windshield's like right here. The front of the car's right here. We crashed. My legs are done. Burnout. Do donuts. Do donuts. Yeah! Oh, they're just going fast. Oh. His visor, bro. Just flapping. Oh, damn. You were scared. You were scared. Oh, man. Shout out to Isaac for real for letting us drive this little thing. This thing is so sick. It was actually my first time driving a right-hand like car or truck, whatever you want to call it. And I haven't driven stick in so long, dude. Oh my God. It was so sick to drive though.
How was it?
It was cool. It was cool, whatever, you know? Fuck. But it was an experience for sure. That shit was dope. I was telling you, it was my first right-hand drive car I've ever driven. Yeah, first.
It's weird at first, too,
Hell
especially
yeah.
like out here too. But like in Japan, like it feels like weird at first, but you feel like you feel comfortable.
Easy.
It's kind of like fucking weird because
Yeah.
the motherfuckers are like right next to you. So you're sitting right here, the motherfucker just driving right next
Oh,
to
hell
you.
no.
So I'm like,
You out of here?
I don't know.
I appreciate
Nice
you, big
seeing you,
dog.
bro.
It was
See you
nice
soon.
seeing you as well. Nice and easy. Wow, what a guy. Nice and easy. M3. My fault, dog. Yo, check out this RX-7. This thing is absolutely crazy. Full canards on it. Crazy hood. Crazy wing. Yeah, this thing is sick, bro. I want to hear it. Dude, you got dealer plates too, bro. I guess that's the new method. I'm telling you guys, that's the new method. Dealer plates. And look at the interior. The bride seats, the steering wheel lifting up. Bro, this thing is sick. The gauges. This thing is dummy clean. I want to hear the brap, 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 brap. We was just talking to hopefully a potential SEMA, spot. Hopefully, if Fong comes through, we might be going to SEMA, maybe. But it's gonna be tough because apparently last week was the last week for applications, so we don't know yet. But hopefully, if so, your boy might be going to SEMA, but we don't know. We're crossing our fingers right now. Crossing our fingers. All the boys are leaving. The other two Supra homies. We got D and John out of here. I am hungry, bro. So actually, me and my girlfriend are gonna meet up right now and go to our favorite tacos truck near our house. And I love getting the asada fries there. They are the gas. I will show you guys when I pick them up. Oh my gosh. Oh my, dude, they're so loud. Like I told you guys earlier, I told you I was gonna pull up to this taco truck, and if you guys are in the Reseda area, literally Reseda and what is that right there?
Dearborn.
Okay, Reseda and Dearborn, and then we got my girlfriend over here. At least my favorite taco spot, because they got asada fries. What the hell? They gotta pay for those. We got asada fries, bro, and they are so gas. So if you guys in the area, hey, tip. They are gas. You guys gotta try them. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. This is what I was talking about, y'all. Oh my gosh, this looks good. What'd you say earlier?
I threw up.
I threw up. She has to eat all her food, but she threw up. No bueno.
No drinking, guys.
Drinking is very bad.
I hate a bitch that's hating on the bitch and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch,